Hello and welcome back to the Path English. I'm really happy you are here today. In this episode, we will talk about how to easily build a healthy routine. Many people want a better life. They want more energy. They want more focus. They want to feel calm and organized. But sometimes they feel lost. They think a healthy routine must be complicated. The truth is very simple. A healthy life is built with small habits repeated every day. Step by step, these small habits create big results. In this podcast, I speak slowly and clearly. I use simple English so you can understand easily. You can listen, you can repeat, and you can speak with me. This practice is called shadowing. You listen first, then you repeat after me. This is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking. So take a deep breath, relax your body, and let's begin together. Part 1. Start your day gently. Your morning is very important. The way you begin your day can change how the whole day feels. When you wake up, try not to rush. Instead, take a moment to wake up slowly. Open your eyes. Take a deep breath. Stretch your arms and your legs. This simple movement helps your body wake up. Next, drink a glass of water. Your body loses water during sleep. When you drink water in the morning, your body feels refreshed. Your brain also wakes up faster. Now here is one small habit that can change your mindset. Say one positive sentence to yourself. For example, today will be a good day. I will do my best today. I am ready for new opportunities. These simple words help your mind start the day with confidence. Remember, a peaceful morning creates a peaceful day. Part 2. Give your body the right fuel. After your body wakes up, it needs energy. Food is the fuel for your day. A healthy breakfast helps your brain focus and your body stay strong. It does not need to be complicated. Simple meals work very well. You can eat fruit and yogurt. You can eat eggs and toast. You can make oatmeal with banana or honey. Some people prefer smoothies. You can mix milk, fruit, and a little peanut butter. It is quick and very nutritious. Imagine a student going to school. If the student eats a good breakfast, the brain works better. The student feels more alert and ready to learn. Food is not just about taste. Food is energy for your body and your mind. Part 3. Keep your body moving. Many people sit for long hours. They sit at work. They sit at school. They sit in front of screens. But our bodies are not designed to stay still all day. Movement helps your blood circulate. Movement wakes up your brain. Every few hours, stand up for a moment. Stretch your shoulders. Move your neck slowly. Walk around the room for a few minutes. Even a short walk can change your energy. Here is another fun idea. Play your favorite song and move your body. You do not need to dance perfectly. Just enjoy the movement. Small movements during the day keep your body active and healthy. Part 4. Focus with simple structure. Sometimes we want to work or study, but our mind becomes distracted. Phones, notifications, and social media make it harder to focus. One helpful technique is working with short focus periods. You can try this simple method. Work for 25 minutes. Give your full attention to one task. Then take a short break for 5 minutes. Stand up, stretch, drink water. After the break, start another focus session. This method helps your brain stay productive without feeling overwhelmed. When you work with rhythm, your mind feels more organized. Short focus plus short rest creates strong results. Part 5. Recharge during the afternoon. In the afternoon, many people feel tired. Energy becomes lower. Concentration becomes harder. This is a perfect moment to recharge. You do not need a long break. Just a few minutes can help. You can close your eyes and breathe slowly. Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a moment. Then breathe out slowly. Repeat this a few times. Your body begins to relax. Your mind becomes clearer. Another idea is to step outside for fresh air. Sunlight and fresh air help reset your energy. Even 5 minutes outside can improve your mood, recharge your energy, and the rest of the day becomes easier. Part 6. Create a calm evening routine. At night, your body needs to slow down. A calm evening routine prepares your body for good sleep. Start by reducing noise and distractions. Turn off bright screens. Choose relaxing activities. You can read a few pages of a book. You can listen to calm music. You can stretch your body gently. Another beautiful habit is writing in a small notebook. Write 3 good things that happened today. For example, I finished an important task. I talked with a friend. I enjoyed a peaceful moment. This habit helps your mind focus on gratitude. Gratitude creates a feeling of peace. Finally, try to sleep at a regular time. Sleep is one of the most powerful habits for a healthy life. Good sleep gives you energy for tomorrow. Great work today. You reached the end of this episode. Today you learned simple ideas to build a healthy routine. Remember something very important. You do not need to change everything at once. Start with one small habit, then add another. Small steps create big transformation. You also practiced your English today. You listened, you repeated, you spoke with me. That is real progress. Come back to this episode again, listen again, shadow again. Each time you practice, your English becomes more natural. This is the Path English. I'm proud of your effort. Keep listening, keep speaking, and keep believing in yourself. See you in the next episode.